Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to become a Google Workspace reseller. So let's get started. First, understand the requirements. You have to manage at least 100 seats, have 2 individuals with Google Workspace technical certifications. If you are eligible, then apply to become a partner. Visit the Google Partner Advantage website, then fill out and submit the application form. Now complete certifications and training. Obtain required Google Workspace certifications. Some training may involve fee but is mandatory to qualify. Then complete work with a distributor. Partner with distributors like Sherweb or AppDirect. They help manage licenses and provide extra support, but this is an optional feature. Then build your client base, offer value-added services like support, migration, and training. Always focus on customer retention and service quality. And now you are all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.